2 U.S. airlines suspend all their U.S.-China flights. Pilots and flight attendants have been demanding that airlines stop flights to China. Members of the Thai Airways crew disinfect the cabin of an aircraft of the national carrier during a procedure to prevent the spread of the coronavirus at Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Delta Air Lines Inc. and American Airlines Group Inc. decided on Friday to temporarily suspend all remaining United States-China flights after the U.S. Department of State elevated a travel advisory over concerns about the coronavirus. The U.S. told citizens on Thursday not to travel to China due to an epidemic that has infected nearly 10,000 people and been declared a global emergency. Pilots and flight attendants have been demanding that airlines stop flights to the country, with American Airlines pilots filing a lawsuit on Thursday seeking an immediate halt. The decision to file a lawsuit was made out of concern for the safety of our pilots, said Dennis Todger, a spokesman for the Allied Pilots Association, which represents Americans' pilots. As of Thursday, United Airlines Holdings Inc. was still planning to operate some flights from San Francisco to China, even after its pilots' union told its members they would be allowed to drop their trip without pay if they were concerned about flying to the country. Delta and American had both announced lighter schedules to China earlier this week. On Friday, American said operations to and from China would be halted starting on Friday through March 27. The carrier will continue to fly to Hong Kong. Delta said its last China-bound flight departing the U.S. will leave on Monday, February 3, with the last U.S. return flight departing China on February 5. The Delta suspension is set to last through April 30. Other airlines that have stopped their flights to mainland China include Air France-KLM SA, British Airways, Germany's Lufthansa AG, and Virgin Atlantic Airways Limited.